Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the biggest names in the audio world, Pro Tools and Apple Logic Pro. If you are a producer, a sound engineer, a songwriter, or someone thinking about upgrading your DAW in 2025, then this video is going to help you decide which one is the best fit for your workflow. Let's get started. Pro Tools is a long-standing heavyweight of professional studios, post-production houses, broadcast environments, and high-end commercial setups. It was built for audio engineers who need sample-accurate editing, precise control, advanced routing, and compatibility with other studios. If you walk into a major recording studio, chances are that you'll see Pro Tools on the main workstation. Pro Tools is designed for large sessions, multi-track recording, film scoring, ADR podcasts, and post-production workflows. It integrates tightly with hardware control surfaces, high-end input and output, and Avid's ecosystem of tools. In short, it's built for people who handle the technical backbone of professional audio. Now on the other side, we have Logic Pro X, Apple's flagship music production suite. Logic is built from the ground up for music creators like songwriters, producers, beatmakers, composers, and artists. It comes loaded with a huge library, hundreds of instruments, powerful synths, drum tools, loop-based workflows, MIDI editing, and intuitive composition tools. For creative work, Logic Pro is incredibly fast, inspiring, and efficient. It also deeply integrates into the Apple ecosystem, especially now that you can round-trip projects between Mac and iPad and use Logic's mobile version as a sketchpad for ideas. Now let us talk about the main features of each platform. We start with Pro Tools. It's a world-class audio editing platform. It has sample accurate trimming, elastic audio, clip gain, and extremely detailed control. It has an unmatched workflow for large sessions, orchestral recordings, bands, and post-production projects, and advanced routing and bossing, which is ideal for multi-stem export, surround, and immersive audio. It also integrates well into the industry because it is used in major studios, film sets, broadcast departments, and commercial environments. And with the hardware compatibility, it works seamlessly with Avid control surfaces like the S1, S4, and S6. Collaboration tools and cloud workflows are activated for team-based projects as well. How about Logic Pro? What makes it stand out? Massive sound library. It has thousands of instruments, patches, loops, and samples included with no extra cost. Powerful built-in instruments like Alchemy, Drum Machine, Designer, Sampler, and more. It also has a fast, intuitive MIDI editing that is perfect for producers and composers, and live loops for experimental or performance-based music creation. There's also great mixing and mastering tools with a clean, modern interface. It also has a seamless Apple integration that works with iPad, with Mac, MainStage, Spatial Audio, and more. And it's an all-in-one package because you can start producing immediately without needing extra plugins. Now, what is the pricing like? Pro Tools has an artist version, a studio version, and an ultimate version. It costs €9 per month for the artist version, €34 per month for studio, and $99 for the ultimate. Now, if you want to do an annual payment, then you get a slash in the amount you're paying. For Logic Pro, it is only for Mac and it costs $199.99 on the App Store for Mac. I believe if you want to do a subscription on the iPad, there's a separate subscription for that. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these tools? We start with the pros. For Pro Tools, it's an industry standard for professional recording studios. It's ideal for film, TV, and post-production work, and its exceptional audio editing precision is great. And for Logic Pro, the pros, it's one of the best value DAWs on the market, and it has a massive library of instruments and loops, and it's extremely intuitive for songwriting, beat making, and music production. It's excellent for electronic, for pop, for hip-hop, and creative production. And how about the cons? For Pro Tools, it has an expensive subscription model and fewer built-in creative instruments and loops. But for Logic Pro, the cons includes that it is Mac only. It's not available on Windows. It's not the industry standard for film or post-production, and is sometimes less optimized for huge, complex multi-user sessions. So which one is better in 2025? Well, choosing between Pro Tools and Logic Pro really comes down to your workflow and your environment. If you work in professional studios, post-production, and engineering heavy workflows, then Pro Tools is the best for you. But if you are a music creator, a producer, a songwriter, or you just want maximum value for price, then Logic Pro is for you, most especially if you are a Mac user. Because Logic Pro is fast, is intuitive, packed with instruments, easy to learn, and gives you the full toolkit of making music without needing to spend extra money on plugins. And that's it on the comparison between Pro Tools and Logic Pro. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ableton Live, Reaper, and Studio One. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.